Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the division into bodies. This command is intended for dividing operations into separate bodies. One example, or the best example I can give, is when we apply an array which can be a linear or circular array. You get a set of elements like this one I've prepared. So they react as one single element. And we have this command that will divide this. Instead of having a set of objects, will create singular objects as they were created, as if they were created one at a time. So to apply this, and we can see on the tree that we have this entry for the linear array. So 3D model menu, then go to advanced, and in advanced we have something that is called divide. So divide, simply choose the set of elements and confirm, and you will see that this entry will convert in individual entries. So confirm, and then you have one body per element, or one entry per element. And the division into bodies is like this. Okay, this is the use, and it has some advantages in being used in this particular example of arrays.